In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the font on Beehiiv. Whether you're looking to give your newsletter a fresh appearance or just want to try out different styles, changing the font can be a game changer. So let's get started and walk through this process together. First, you'll need to navigate over to Beehiiv. If you're already familiar with the platform, you can use your preferred browser to head to their homepage. Once there, look towards the upper right hand corner of the page where you'll find the login button. Give that a click and you'll be ready for the next step. Once you've initiated the login process, you'll see a few options for signing in. A quick and convenient way for many users is the sign in with Google option. Click on it, and if you've connected your Google account to Beehiiv previously, you'll be logged in within moments. If it's your first time, you might need to allow some permissions, but it's usually a straightforward process. Now that you're logged in and on your dashboard, direct your attention to the menu. We're specifically looking for the design section, so go ahead and click on that. This area is the creative hub of your Beehiiv account, where you can customize your newsletter's aesthetics to better match your brand or personal style. In the design section, you'll want to find the website builder. Clicking on it will guide you to the layout editor for your newsletter or website. This is where the magic happens, so make sure you're comfortable and ready to make some changes. Once inside the website builder, look for the option that says typography. It should be quite visible as it deals directly with fonts and text styling. Click on typography and you'll be presented with a variety of options to customize your newsletter's font. Here comes the fun part, changing the font styles. Beehiiv provides a number of font options, enabling you to find something that resonates with your theme. You can switch between fonts, compare styles, and even adjust font sizes to perfectly suit your needs. Remember, it's important to keep your audience in mind. Readability should always be a priority alongside aesthetic appeal. Take a moment to review the changes in the preview panel, if available, to ensure everything looks just right before applying the final changes. Once you're happy with your selected styles, make sure to save your changes. And that's it, you've successfully changed the font on Beehiiv. With these simple steps, you can give your newsletter a customized touch that is uniquely yours. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out. Happy designing.